call on our Grand Royal Matron.
Thank you, Royal Patron, Royal Matron, Grand Royal Patron, Supreme and Grand Officers, honored ladies, sir knights, distinguished members, family, and friends. I want to say it is a pleasure to be here. Your installation was beautiful. I'm so pleased that I was here last month to see some of you become members of this court and have already taken your first step into being an officer. Thank you so very much. And I know this court can grow. I've been seeing it in talking with them and Rufo, the enthusiasm that they have. They've got Black Diamond to help them, to help all of you. It's just wonderful to be here. I am so pleased. And with your next initiation, if my schedule is open, I will be here because I would love to come back and visit all of you. It's such a pleasure. I want to thank the musicians, our pianist, and she just plays beautifully. I wish I knew how to play, but I can't. And Sir Knight Edwin, your singing was absolutely gorgeous. I would rather listen to you sing the Star Spangled Banner than the rest of the room. I'm sorry. And I can't sing. I want to thank my driving companion, traveling companion, Honored Lady Susan Wallace, Deputy Supreme, and my Grand Marshal. I also want to say it's been a pleasure to watch again Ernie and Joji become installing marshal and aide. They do such beautiful floor work. Thank you. To Honored Lady Judy and Sir Knight Matt, thank you for your instruction today. I know you were a little worried about how the practice was, but the installation came off beautifully. Now please remember, this is just FYI, listen to the assigned assistant grand lecturer that is assigned to your court unless they ask, because all of us are very guilty of wanting to go and put our 2 cents in, and that includes your Grand Royal Matron at her own court with our very new assistant grand lecturer. So I too have to watch not wanting to go and tell them, no, you did it wrong. So that was just the FYI. But on the whole, it was beautiful. Thank you for the courtesies. One of my little things that I always like to leave everybody is strive for harmony. With harmony, we can all work together and we can build our grand court and all of our courts. Thank you, Royal Patron.
Nicely done.
Now I'd like to turn this to our Majesty.
Before I close, a couple of family members I did not thank or acknowledge. I'd like to, the Royal Matrons, my family of Royal Matrons, please stand and introduce yourself. Jessica, and then I received the backplate from Black Diamond. Anybody else? Thank you. Royal Patron, yes. Sir Knight Orlando Buckley. Thank you. Thanks for being here. I'd like to give a special thank you to the Harrison twins, Janet and Judy, and Sir Knight Matt Nova. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all the instructions you've given us, and we look forward to more instructions. We need it, believe me. I also would like to acknowledge the presence of San Francisco Lodge number 120. Please stand. lodges here. Crocker Lodge? Mission Lodge?
Those guys.
Pittsburgh Lodge? GDML Lodge? Yes, I know the last one.
Columbia
Any other
Brotherhood.
lodges I missed?
Columbia Brotherhood, 370.
Oh, Columbia Brotherhood Lodge. Wow. That's what I'm talking about. We need to bring everyone together. Right?
Pittsburgh Lodge. Chinese
Valley
Pacific
Lodge.
Lodge.
Valley Lodge. Yes.
Sons of the Desert.
Okay. Presentations. Do we have any presentations?